Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I am doing something different again. So I bought this empty bottle and this is by Coco Chanel. So this is their original perfume bottle. It's empty and you might have guessed what I will be doing. So after opening the bottle, this is the frame that I will be using and I will be spray painting it black. So in this way I will be doing it fully covering it into black color. And in this box, safety first, please make sure to wear glasses and make sure that it is really safe because I'm going to smash the bottle. So I'm just taking off the lid. So this art has been viral for quite some time now, and mostly I have seen that they are doing with the champagne bottles and different alcohol bottles. I thought try something different and I'm using this perfume bottle. So this is the hammer and I'm going to smash it. So let's see if it's going to be smashed in one go. No, it's not working. Also, I'm afraid as well and I really don't want to smash the bottle too much. So many things are going on. So different attempts are made here. And one thing I can guarantee you is that the perfume bottle is made out of a very high quality glass because you can see that I'm smashing it and it is not working. So this time, oh yeah, it's happened and let's see how much it's broken. So this is how the frames looks like after spraying it. So I'm pouring a very thin layer of resin onto this frame. So there are many cool ideas you can do with this smash technique. You can different elements and different designs. So I might be trying this technique a few more times. This is going to be a relatively a simple one because it's first time and I really don't want to go overboard with it. I want to keep it really simple. So just a very thin layer of resin that is covering the whole frame. And after doing that, I will be using my heat gun to just move the resin into the inner side of the frame here. So it's done now, and now I'm going to arrange the puzzle pieces here just like puzzles. So I'm really happy that it got smashed how I wanted it to be, and I really wanted this Coco Chanel label to be intact and I didn't want to break it from that side. So I'm happy that I got this part of the bottle safe, and then I'm putting the lid like that. Now sky is the limit. It's really up to you however you want to arrange it. I am just going with what my mind is thinking, and I'm putting up the pieces here. Few things are going in my mind. I don't want to do it overboard. I don't want to put so many tiny pieces of the glass. So I don't know why this is so satisfying that I have broken the bottle and now I am just putting up the pieces. It is something like kintsugi, the Japanese art, you can say that, but this is something that is aesthetic for your mind. It's for me, and I am adjusting here the broken pieces. So you might relate with it. I know it is just a funny art where you are smashing a glass, but somehow it do connects to my soul that I am saving that pieces. I hope you get me what I'm saying here. So back to the art, and I'm just putting up the pieces as I explained. So piece by piece, I will be putting up the small tiny glasses onto the frame here. So you just enjoy the process. So I'm happy with the pieces of the glass onto the resin here. So I just wanted to add a little bit of hint of gold into this. So I just took out my gold foil, and with the help of the tweezers, I will be putting the gold foil on different spaces. You can leave it as it is. It's really up to you. Also, it's not necessary. You can go with a white background and it might have looked good, but I just wanted to go black on black here. there is something very interesting and elegant about black, so that's why I'm just going black here. So I will be putting the gold foil now. So after putting the gold foil, I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the final look and this is how it's looking like. Believe me, I don't know why, but this was so interesting to look at and I just love how it turned out. I might be making more of these with some interesting ideas. So I hope you like it. And if you have any ideas in your mind, please do let me know in comments because all ideas are always welcome. Your suggestions are always welcome. And I really love the feedback that you give me. It really helps me to improve my art for further projects. So like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so. And thank you so much for all your coffees. It do help me and for my craft items. So thank you so much again. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.